Okay, good morning, afternoon, evening to everybody. Sampurasun. Yeah, Sampurasun is the Sundanese greeting for any kind of situation, and you would usually reply it with Rampes. Yeah, so Sampurasun, Rampes. Yeah, you're back with me, Aldi, the weirdest tutor that you will have ever found on the internet. And today we will be learning about Sundanese consonants. Let's go. So as we have covered in the first video, all Sundanese consonants, all Sundanese letters have one sound. Yeah. We don't really have to cover everything, but here are some examples. The letter che is always read che. Some Sundanese word using this would be ciri. Yeah. Ciri means a feature or mark. It can mean feature. It can also mean mark. Yeah. Or maybe J, as in jare. Yeah, jare. Don't use this word. Don't use this word to describe people. Jare means ugly. Yeah. Although if you want to prank your friends that doesn't know Sundanese and call them jare, and then they ask, "What does jare means beautiful." The risk is yours. Yeah. Don't tell me I told you to do it. Yeah, I'm not responsible. Or maybe ge. It's always read as ge, as in the word seger. Seger means fresh. Yeah. Or maybe bager. Bager is like good behavior. Good behavior. Or kind-hearted can also be described with bager. Bager, yeah. So if you describe someone with the word bager, it means they have a good heart. R, yeah. Let's talk about the word R. The R, as in piring. Yeah, this is an Indonesian loan word. Piring, which means a plate. Yeah. However, this is quite a unique feature in that Sundanese words don't use the letters F and V very often. Sundanese usually have pe, and we usually use the word pe in many original Sundanese words. However, for loan words borrowed by other language that uses the word F and V, both are usually pronounced softly, like the soft version of pe. So, for example, the word active in English is borrowed into Sundanese as aktif. Yeah. Although since this is also used in Indonesian word aktif, yeah, this is also borrowed into the word Indonesian word aktif. Yeah. Sundanese speakers use both aktif using p and aktif using f, which both means the same thing. Yeah, but the p is pronounced boldly and not with like a soft sound coming from out of your mouth. Yeah, while active is just usual f and v. So, in not official context, in casual context, P, F, and V are usually interchangeable in Sundanese. That means you can say the word active as active. Yeah, in casual context, both will exactly mean the same. Another loan word in English which has this transformation is the word favorite. Yeah. Yeah. This is borrowed into in the Indonesian word. Yeah, this is borrowed into Indonesian word favorit. Yeah. But if not in like a formal context, you can also pronounce this as favorit or paporit in Sundanese, and they still mean the same. Yeah. So in unofficial context, yeah, you can use F, V, and P interchangeably in unofficial or like casual context. Yeah. But if you are in a formal context, use original Sundanese words wherever possible. Or if it has an Indonesian word, you can also use Indonesian word. Okay, we'll be talking about something else in the next video, okay? I hope this has been useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and spread this video to everyone you know. If you have any questions about Sundanese, West Java, or the Sundanese culture in general, feel free to drop in the comments, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.